This is Nathaniel back with coding-bootcamps.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about how to delete an index, picking back up right where we left off in the last video after creating a new index for the department field in our employee collection, which is called My Collection. Now, what we're going to do here is we're going to reference back up at our help and see that we have a command here to get a list of indexes. I'm going to run this command, and I'm going to see that we have a couple of different indexes here. One is an index that is predefined by Mongo. We're going to ignore this one. It's just an index on the ID field. And the next one is ours, which we had named for us as department_text. It just took the field that we're indexing on and the value, the type that's in that field, which is text, and put an underscore in between them. That's all it did. Next thing we're going to do is scroll back up and look at our help, and we're going to see that we have a command to drop an index. So we're just going to copy this, and we're going to look right here. It says, gives us a little example, db my collection drop index name. They make it very simple for us. And of course there's another method that you could use to drop an index, but we're not going to do that because we already know the name of it. So we're just going to use the easy one here. And we're going to say department_text. db my collection drop index department_text. Number of indexes was 2. Status OK. Awesome. And that's it for this video.